Now by the Laundrie family attorney, Stephen Bertolino. Stephen, thank you for joining us this morning. I know you've known the Laundrie family for over 25 years. How are they this morning?
Yes, good morning, George. I have yet to speak to Chris and Roberta. I will reach out to them shortly, but thanks for having me, and thanks for your concern.
Do they know how Brian died?
We do not. I was informed from law enforcement yesterday that perhaps midday today we may have some more information, but as of right now, we know as much as you do.
So you've gotten any other information at all from the notebook, from the backpack, anything like that?
None at all. As you can see, probably some video that's circulating shows the white bag that was picked up by Chris Laundrie was almost immediately turned over to law enforcement. Law enforcement found the backpack. I do not know if the notebook was in the white bag that Chris picked up or if it was in the backpack that law enforcement picked up.
So many unanswered questions here. You know, you told us that Laundries knew Brian was grieving the night he left. Trevor just reported that. That was on September 13th. But Gabby Petito's remains weren't discovered until the 19th. So why did they think he was grieving?
Brian had been extremely upset. You know, Chris and Roberta were very concerned about him. They expressed that to me, that when he walked out the door that evening, they wish they could have stopped him. They wish they could have, you know, prevented him from going out, but he was intent on leaving. And Chris said to me, you know, in hindsight, I know I couldn't stop him. I just wish I could have.
Do they think?
So, I'm sorry.
Do they think he committed suicide?
You know, we've had that conversation between the three of us, Chris, Roberta, and myself, several times. You know, we just do not know. Of course, knowing his mental state when he walked out the door, it was always a concern. But, you know, let's wait for the medical examiner. If they can come up with some other explanation for the cause of death, you know, we're going to accept that. If not, I guess we're going to have to accept that Brian did kill himself.
How did the Laundries know where to look?
Well, Brian had hiked in that reserve in Maikahatchee Environmental Creek Park many times. Chris has hiked with him several occasions as well. They kind of knew his favorite spots. We had told law enforcement from the beginning where Brian would most likely be in the areas of the park. When Chris went on Monday night to look for Brian when he didn't return, you know, he saw the car. It was dark. Everything was wet and flooded. And, you know, he returned the next day, and Chris and Roberta looked again in the same areas. But again, it was flooded, and they really couldn't get off trail. So, you know, how and when Brian wound up in that area, you know, maybe he walked in the trail and then circled back someday. You know, I don't have the answer to that. As far as how did the Laundries know where to look on Thursday, you know, that was just starting at the beginning and working their way into the trail. And as everybody knows, Brian's remains and the personal items were located, you know, somewhat in close proximity to the entrance to the park.
Did Brian tell the Laundries anything about what happened to Gabby before he disappeared?
You know, George, that's not something I can comment on right now, and I'd like to just leave it at that.
Well, if you can't comment on it, it means you know something about it.
Well, I think everybody out there knows that, you know, whether the family or myself have some information to share, but, you know, there's not much we can say at this point in time. And, you know, I'm going to leave it at no comment.
Is that because they've been cooperating with the FBI?
I'm sorry, did you say because we were cooperating?
Because you are, because the family is cooperating with the FBI?
Well, George, I've been quite clear on this from the very beginning. When it comes to the FBI, we have absolutely nothing to say with respect to the Gabby Petito incident. With respect to Brian, we've been cooperating from day one. And, you know, those are two different, from a legal perspective, those are two different scenarios. One was the missing persons with Brian. One was the missing persons with Gabby.
Is there anything that the Laundries want to say to Gabby Petito's family this morning?
Not at this time. Like I said, George, I haven't spoken to Chris and Roberta. You know, yesterday was, you know, very hard on them, as I'm sure everybody can imagine. I'm sure at some point in the future, you know, comments and discussions may be had.
Mr. Bertolino, thanks very much for your time this morning.
George, thanks for having me. Have a good day.